Good morning, sir.
Good morning, very good morning. We are habituated to Zoom. I'm trying Google Meet, but somehow it has not been possible for me.
Good morning, sir.
Very, very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Even last class we tried
Good morning, sir.
good morning, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Please give your attendance. Good morning. I have sent the attendance link. Please give your attendance. ఇప్పుడు జూమ్కి వచ్చినాయి రేపు మీరు చేసి తీసుకుంటుంటే చూస్తాను వాళ్ళ జూమ్కి వచ్చినాయి ఇప్పుడే జూమ్ ఇప్పుడే పిల్లలు జాయిన్ అవుతున్నారు
Morning, sir.
నువ్వు చేసి చూడొచ్చా Yeah, just now I requested Math sir to help me in taking class on Google Meet. He has come. Let me check. Stop share చేయాలా మళ్ళీ ఇన్వైట్ చేస్తుందో లేదో జాయిన్ అయ్యారు ఇప్పుడు చాలా మంది 66 మంది జాయిన్ అయ్యారు ఈరోజు కానీ రేపు మీరు తీసుకునేటప్పుడు నేను చూస్తే రేపు నా క్లాస్ లేదు మీరు గూగుల్ మీట్లో రేపు తీసుకునేటప్పుడు నాకు చెప్పండి నేను కూడా వచ్చి చూస్తాను క్లాస్ అవుతుంది క్లాస్ తర్వాత రేపు చూద్దాం about actually Google Meet I think is simple కదా but facing అదే that I have done. I told them, I sent one link and I told them every day this is going to be English class. రేపు చూస్తాను మరి మీరు తీసుకోండి మీకు ఉంది కదా రేపు ఇప్పుడు మధ్యాహ్నమైనా ఉండొచ్చు కదా మీకు ఎవరైనా కానీ గూగుల్ మీట్ ఎన్నిటికి మీరు తీసుకునేటప్పుడు నాకు ఎప్పుడు నేను వస్తాను దగ్గరికి డోర్ దగ్గరికి Yeah, good morning students. Yesterday, I hope you remember, not yesterday, in the last class that was on Saturday, we began talking about fixing and cancelling appointments.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this,
Yes, sir.
this I think you already did. You want to take your mother to a doctor who is very busy. What will you do to ensure that you meet the doctor on the day you want? This one you did, and the next slide also, this slide also you read. Have you read this slide also?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
A conversation, we have identified the phrases that are used to fix and cancel appointments. What are the phrases that are used to fix and cancel appointments here?
Master.
No, must was, it was different. It was obligation. Don't get confused. That was the first lesson, obligation. Now here fixing and cancelling appointments. This is different from must. Must should have to.
an appointment.
Yeah. What is the first?
Will you please?
I want an appointment with the MD. That is one. And
Will you please fix the appointment?
will you please fix an appointment at 5 p.m. today?
I need to talk him.
I need to.
I need to talk to the doctor.
Where is it? Which line? You read this one, rescheduling an appointment. I think this we have not read this dialogue. There's dialogue between receptionist and Kiran Kumar. Please read the dialogue aloud.
Receptionist. Hello,
Receptionist.
Eduard, Hyderabad.
Hello, Eduard, Hyderabad, Kiran
I'm
Kumar.
Kiran. I have an appointment.
Good evening. I am Kiran. I had an
5 p.m. today, but I'm sorry to say
at
that
5 p.m. today,
there
but
as
I
I
am sorry to say that I can't be there as I am not feeling well.
I would like to reschedule the
We
appointment.
want to
Can I meet the MD at 10 a.m. on Monday? Yeah, you can meet the MD at 10 a.m. on Monday. Thank you. Welcome.
Yeah, in this lesson, we use three things: schedule an appointment, reschedule an appointment. Yes, Madhurima, you want to speak? Madhurima 22 has raised her hand. Do you want to speak? Madhurima? Yeah. See, we learn three things here in this lesson: fixing and cancelling appointments. The title of the lesson is just fixing and cancelling appointments, but rescheduling is also there. We have to reschedule the appointment. When do you reschedule appointment?
when anyone when we have urgent work, urgent works.
Yeah, when we have taken an appointment and
Something problem.
Higher officials.
yeah, we have some problem or we have to meet somebody else at because of some reason we can't go to that particular place at the exact time of appointment. That is why we reschedule our appointment. So everything, scheduling, reschedule, fixing and cancelling. Fixing, cancelling and rescheduling. Scheduling is nothing but fixing. Scheduling an appointment means fixing an appointment. Okay, scheduling is nothing but fixing. So scheduling an appointment or rescheduling an appointment or cancelling. All these things have to be done very politely. That is the beauty of English language. You have to be very polite. Hello, Eduard, Hyderabad. Receptionist says. Kiran Kumar says, good evening, I am Kiran. I have an appointment with the MD at 5 p.m. today, but I am sorry to say that I cannot be there as I am not feeling well. Okay. Here, he is asking to postpone or reschedule the appointment to some other day because he is not feeling well. Receptionist says, do you want me to reschedule the appointment? Yes. I would like to reschedule the appointment. Can I meet the MD at 10 a.m. on Monday? Not even tomorrow. On Monday, can I meet the MD on Monday? Yes. Reception. Yes, you can meet the MD at 10 a.m. on Monday. Kiran Kumar, thank you. Receptions, welcome. Okay. Just only the thing we have to remember is we have to be very polite and we have to say, can you please fix an appointment? Can you please fix an appointment? See here, hello, Eduard here. Good morning, Kiran Kumar. I am Kiran, a student of Diploma in Mechanical Engineering. Yes, how may I help you? I want an appointment with the MD. See, everything is polite. Hello, Eduard. Good morning. Yes, I want an appointment. May I know the reason? I need to talk to him about the prospects of doing BTech. When would you like to meet him? Will you please fix? See, all these expressions, you are welcome, thank you. These are the polite expressions we have to remember whenever we want to speak, fix, or cancel an appointment. Now, fixing appointments in advance avoids both disappointments and delays. See, let me tell you about me. I think I told you about my doctor, neurologist, because I have severe giddiness regularly. I regularly go to Dr. Ranganathan, neurosurgeon, who is working at Sunshine Hospital, Gachibowli. So Gachibowli is about 30 kilometers from my home. 30 kilometers from my home. Dr. Ranganathan is a neurosurgeon. He operates on patients. So we don't know when he is free, whether he is free today. Sometimes what happens, if we go without taking an appointment, the doctor may not be available. The doctor may be busy with operation. A doctor might have given already appointment for 10 patients and he may not be able to take any more patients. So to avoid disappointment, so to save our time, we have to take prior appointment with doctor. Okay, not only with doctor, with anybody, any person. If you want to meet somebody, you have to take appointment to avoid disappointment or delay. Suppose he gives you appointment at 11 o'clock, you must be there by 10:30 or before 11, you should be there by 11. He will be waiting for you at 11 o'clock. Or without taking appointment, if you go, he may ask you to wait till the evening because he is busy till the evening. He may ask you to wait. You cannot wait. Okay, that is why fixing appointments in advance avoids both disappointment and delays, since both the parties are prepared in advance. So both know that Dr. Ranganathan knows and I know that we are going to meet at 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. Okay. And one more important thing is, if you have an appointment at 11 o'clock, you can't go there at 12 o'clock and say, I have an appointment with the doctor. You can't claim because your appointment time was already over. It was at 11 o'clock. That is why it is important to adhere to appointment. Adhere means stick. You must follow the time schedule. Okay? It is courteous to inform the other party. If you are unable to meet the appointment, if you are unable to meet the person at the appointment, you must call. It is your courtesy, at least for courtesy's sake, manners, to tell the other person that because of some reason I am unable to come. Please cancel my appointment, or please reschedule my appointment. Please postpone my appointment. You must say. If you need to reschedule an appointment to a later date, time, you should do that in advance of the meeting so as not to waste other people's time. See, one more important thing. You have an appointment with the doctor at 11 o'clock. You can't call him at 11 o'clock and reschedule the appointment. It cannot be rescheduled if you call at 11 o'clock. You must call at least one day before that appointment. Okay, these are the things. And there's some expressions used to fix an appointment. You please read all these expressions aloud.
How about meeting? How about meeting on the
Meeting on the 30th of August? Will you be free on the 17th of this month?
How
How does the 3rd of June sound?
30th of
Will you
August,
say
will you
Monday?
be on 17th of this month? How does the 3rd of June sound? Shall we say Monday? Can I be the Tuesday tomorrow? Would Friday be considered to fix an appointment? I would like to meet the Vice Chancellor.
So these are the various ways of fixing appointment politely. Usually people use only one. I want to meet the doctor tomorrow. Can you give appointment? So that is the usual expression. But instead of using the same expression every day, you can say, how about meeting on the 30th of August? Will you be free on the 17th of? This is not just with the doctor, with anybody. You're talking to your friend. Say you finished your polytechnic diploma, you completed engineering also. After that, you suddenly got the phone number of your friend. Like 96 movie is there. That is, what is that in Telugu? Sharvanand and Samantha's movie. Do you know that movie?
Janu.
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 In that month, yeah. Janu was that was in Telugu, and 96 that was in Tamil. So when you meet your friends after a long time, you have to fix appointment. All of them fix appointment. All of them call each other on phone, and they discuss how about meeting on the 30th of August. Okay, somebody might say, yeah, that is nice. That would be great. Let us meet on 30th. No, on 30th, it may not be possible for me to meet because I have some other appointment. I have to meet my doctor. I have to meet my dentist on the same day. Instead of 30th, shall we meet on 2nd September? Okay. These are the various ways of expressing politely to fix an appointment. Will you be free on the 17th of this month? This is another. Will you be free on the 17th of this month? That means I want to meet you on 17th of this month. Will you please give me an appointment? Instead of directly asking the other person, will you give me appointment on 17th? He's saying, will you be free on the 17th of this month? Will the doctor be free on the 17th of this month? Oh, let me check. The receptionist might say, oh, let me check his appointments list. And after some time, he might say, no, the doctor is not free on the 17th of this month. He is busy with surgeries. So you can meet him on 18th. How does the 3rd of June sound? June 3rd కలిసి ఎట్లా ఉంటుంది? How is June 3rd? Shall we say Monday? Shall we say 17th of this month? Shall we say 30th of August? Can I meet you on 30th of August? Can we meet on the 30th of August? Can we meet the senior engineer tomorrow? Would Friday be convenient for you? No. Friday, I'm busy. I have to go to maybe I'm busy with namaz. I have to go to mosque on Friday. I can't meet you on Friday. You can meet on Sunday or Saturday, not on Friday. The other person might say, would Friday be convenient for you? Could you please fix an appointment with our Vice Chancellor tomorrow? I would like to meet the Vice Chancellor on so-and-so date. Will you please fix an appointment? This is how you can use various expressions to fix appointments. Can you please read and write all these expressions in your notebook? Please write these things also in your notebook. Of course, I will send you notes after some time, not today and not tomorrow, after some time. But till then, you have to prepare your notes, you have to read your notes, you have to note down everything you hear in class. Please write the entire slide in your notebook, expressions used to fix an appointment. Are you noting down?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How about meeting on the 30th of August? Will you be free on the 17th of this month? How does the 3rd of June sound? Shall we say Monday? Can I meet the senior engineer tomorrow? Would Friday be convenient for you? Could you please fix an appointment? These are some incomplete sentences, not complete sentences. Some of those are incomplete sentences. You have to write on your own. Could you please fix an appointment on 17th of this month? I would like to meet the Vice Chancellor on Monday. Can you please fix an appointment with him? Have you noted down?
Yes, sir.
Have you given attendance, everyone? I sent the link number of times. Please fill the
Yes, sir.
attendance.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now, do this activity. These are the questions which are going to come in your examination from this lesson. How do you fix an appointment with the municipal commissioner at 4 p.m. to register a complaint about irregular supply of drinking water? So write the dialogue between the municipal commissioner and you. I will give you 3 minutes time to write a dialogue between the municipal commissioner and
Once can you please slide, sir?
write it quickly and then you can read your dialogue.
Sir, can you please show the board slide, sir?
See, your voice is not clear. Who is speaking?
Sir, can you please show the before slide, sir?
Yeah?
She wants the previous
Before
slide.
slide, sir, can you please?
This one?
Yes, sir.
Somehow your voice is not clear. I don't know.
Sir, give attendance link, sir, once time again.
Shall we go to the next slide? Yeah, this is the slide. This is the activity you have to do now. Do it quickly. Yeah, what has anybody written the dialogue between the municipal commissioner and you? Fix an appointment with him at 4 o'clock. No, you can't directly talk to the municipal commissioner. Somebody will lift the phone.
PA, sir, PA.
Yeah, PA. So the dialogue between you and the PA. Yes, anybody? So very nice to see your names and pins. Except somebody. HTTPS. Who is this? Everybody except this US04, something like that is there. I can see your names.
Sir, can I see the answer, sir?
Yeah, please.
Okay, sir. Me, I am Padmavati from LB Nagar. PA, okay, how can I help you? Me, I want an appointment with Municipal Commissioner. PA, may I know the reason? Me, to complain about irregular supply of drinking water. PA, when would you like to meet him? Me, will you please fix an appointment at 4 p.m. tomorrow? PA, okay,
Yeah.
Miss Padmavati, I have noted in diary. You have the appointment tomorrow. Me, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
PA, you're welcome.
Okay, right. Anybody else? One more
Sir,
person?
Me,
Grishma,
sir.
sir.
Tanmay, sir.
Yeah, Tanmay, please.
Me. Good evening. I am Tanmay from Badanpet. PA. Yes, good evening. How can I help you? Me. Please fix an appointment with the municipal commissioner at 4 p.m. tomorrow. PA. May I know the reason, please? Me. I want to register a complaint about irregular supply of drinking water. PA. Sure, ma'am. I will fix the appointment. Me. Thank you. PA. Welcome.
Right, very good.
Sir, Grishma, sir.
So just for this dialogue, we are going to get marks. Just discussion between the PA or the PS or the assistant or clerk, whoever or receptionist, whoever it may be there, between that person and you. Dialogue. You have to speak politely. One more. Yeah, this, do it quickly.
Sir.
Request the receptionist at St. Martha's Hospital to fix an appointment with a neurologist on 12th August at 5 p.m. Write the question first and then write the dialogue quickly.
Sir, can I answer?
Yeah, please.
Receptionist, hello, Saint Martha's Hospital, Secunderabad. Me, good morning, I'm Miss Neha. Receptionist, yes, how may I help you? Me, I need an appointment with the neurologist, Mr. Kiran. Receptionist, may I know the reason, sir? May I know the reason, ma'am? Me, my mother suffering from paralysis. Receptionist, when would you like to meet him? Me, will you please fix an appointment at 5 p.m. on 12th August? Receptionist, okay, Miss Neha, I have noted it down in the diary. You have the appointment on 12th August at 5 p.m. Me, thank you. Receptionist, you're welcome.
Right, very good. Very good. So this is how you have to take fix appointments. And now this is rescheduling. Request the receptionist at General Hospital to reschedule the appointment you had with the surgeon for a minor surgery because you are going out of town. Because you are going out of time, you have to reschedule the appointment. You have to postpone the appointment to fix the appointment at some other date. That means refix the appointment. So any word can be used. Refix the appointment, fix the appointment at a later date, or reschedule the appointment, or postpone the appointment. All these things are nothing but rescheduling the appointment. You have to reschedule the appointment. Now write the question in your notebook and write the dialogue between the receptionist of General Hospital and you. This is rescheduling. Yes, have written.
Sir,
Yeah.
so the receptionist, hello, General Hospital. Me, good morning. I'm Grishma of Green City Colony. Receptionist, yes, ma'am. How can I help you? Me, can you please fix an appointment with Dr. Ramesh Kumar, the neurologist? Receptionist, may I know the reason, ma'am? Me, my father is suffering from nervous system failure. Receptionist, when
No,
would you like to meet him, ma'am?
Grishma, what you're doing here is you're taking appointment. No, the question is reschedule the appointment. You already have the appointment. You have to reschedule the appointment.
Sir, she is telling the previous one, sir.
Yes, sir.
But you are telling the previous one. Okay.
Yes,
This
sir.
one. Yeah. Okay, you can continue then.
When would you
Grishma, you
like
can
to?
continue.
Yes, sir. When would you like to fix the appointment? I would like it to have on the 15th August. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Now, can you try this one? The latest one, rescheduling the appointment. You already have the appointment, but now you can't go because you are out of town that day.
Yes, sir.
Reschedule the appointment.
So shall I say them?
Yeah. Who is speaking?
So I'm Swati, sir.
Yeah, Swati, you can speak.
Sir, I am Padmavati Shura. I have said it.
Yeah, Padmavati. I think Padmavati is speaking. Padmavati, you
Yes,
can
sir.
speak.
Me. Good morning. I am Padmavati, receptionist. How can I help you? Me. Actually, I have an appointment with surgeon for a minor surgery at tomorrow. Receptionist. Okay, sir. Me. I want to reschedule it. Receptionist. May I know the reason, sir? Me.
Yeah.
I am going out of town. So can you reschedule my appointment? Receptionist. When would you like to meet him? Me. I want an appointment on 7th April at 12 noon. Receptionist. Okay, ma'am. I have noted it down in diary. You have the appointment on 7th April. Me. Thank you, ma'am. Receptionist. You are welcome.
Right, good. Right, good. Any other person?
Yes, sir. Tanmay, sir.
Tanmay, come on, quickly.
Receptionist, hello, General Hospital. Me. Good evening. I am Tanmay. I have an appointment with the surgeon for a minor surgery, but I am sorry to say that I cannot be available as I am going out of town. Me. Receptionist. Do you want to reschedule the appointment? Me. Yes. I would like to reschedule the appointment. Can I have that minor surgery on Monday at 10 a.m.? Receptionist. Yes, you can have it at 10 a.m. on Monday. Me. Thank you. Receptionist. Welcome.
Right, very good. Now there's some more activities you have to do. So you can note down these things quickly. First you note down. Now we have only 1.5 minutes time. Due to bad weather, you cannot practice cricket with your coach today. On phone, request the coach to reschedule the time for practice. This is the question. This you can do as your homework. Due to bad weather, you cannot practice cricket with your coach today. Today, there is bad weather. It is very hot today, right? Yesterday also it was very hot. 39.3 degrees was there yesterday in Hyderabad. So it is very hot. It is very difficult to practice cricket when the weather is very hot, right? You have to call your coach and request him to reschedule the time for practice. Actually, you are supposed to meet at 10 o'clock in the morning to practice, but as it is very hot today, you cannot meet him. I mean, you cannot go for practice at 10 o'clock in the morning. So better practice after 4 o'clock. So you can talk to your coach about this on phone. But that is the dialogue you have to write. This is your homework. Now, any moment we may get disconnected.